Hello, everybody. I hope you had a restful break. No work today because it's an inset day at school, so we're doing some teacher training. Plan for this week is actually some review work of work which we have done over the course when we've been off. So heating and cooling, energy transfer, specific heat capacity, specific latent heat, and then some work on ideal gases. Now, you've done the notes and the theory of this. The idea is to have a go at some more questions, so let's remind ourselves of those key ideas, which is always really, really useful. But actually trying to go back in with a fresh pair of eyes and see if we can spot any of these underlying trends. So what are the kind of questions that they ask? What sort of calculations we're always trying to do? What are the kind of common pitfalls? And actually that's the kind of next level we want to do with our kind of revision, this kind of really useful guided practice where you're kind of identifying what are the kind of hidden underlying themes. And actually if we can do that, it means that if another question comes up, so perhaps it's slightly different, you've got a good way of tackling it. So have a little play and see if you can produce answers to those questions, but also some notes. Thursday's work, but I'll post it on Wednesday as usual, is actually what we call diagnostic questions. This is something we're trying with the GCSE students, but rather than being about content we have taught you, it's more trying to kind of pick up common misconceptions, common mistakes that people have, their kind of underlying physics ideas. So lots of multiple choice questions, give them a go, and then we'll see if there's any trends and anything we need to work on there. We're also aware that in a couple of weeks' time we might actually get to meet in person, which would be lovely. I've got a little list of things that I would like to go through. The plan as it stands, and this is definitely open to changing, is that it'll be one day a week coming in and doing sort of a couple of hours worth of lessons. What it does mean is we can go through content from the past few weeks, which perhaps we're confident on, we need to talk about. So start putting your list together of things that you think would be really useful for us to talk about as a group, and then we can share that and decide exactly what we want to do to make the sessions as useful as we can. Right. Take care. Any problems, don't hesitate to get in contact, okay?